In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use count formula in WPS Office in mobile. Working with spreadsheets on your mobile device can be just as powerful as working on a desktop, especially when you know how to use basic formulas. One of the most useful formulas you can learn is the count formula. This formula helps you quickly calculate how many numerical values are present in a selected range of cells, saving you time and effort when reviewing data. To begin, make sure you are working inside a spreadsheet file in the WPS Office mobile app. The count formula only works within spreadsheets, so it's important that your document is set up correctly before you proceed. Once your spreadsheet is open, take a moment to review the data you want to count so you know which cells will be included in the formula. Next, choose the cell where you want the result of the count formula to appear. This selected cell will display the final number after the calculation is complete. Tap on that cell to activate it, then start typing the formula by entering equals count open parenthesis. This tells the app that you are about to perform a counting function. After typing the opening part of the formula, you will need to specify the range of cells you want to count. In this example, the count will start from cell B1 and end at cell B6. Carefully type B1:B6 to define the range. This range indicates that the formula will only evaluate the values within those cells. Once the range is entered, type the closing parenthesis, open parenthesis, to complete the formula. At this point, your formula should be fully written and ready to run. To apply it, tap the check icon located on the right side of the screen. As soon as you do this, WPS Office will process the formula and display the result in the cell you originally selected. The number shown represents how many cells in the specified range contain numerical values. It's important to remember that the count formula only counts cells with numbers. Any empty cells or cells containing text will be ignored. Keeping this in mind will help you understand the results and avoid confusion when working with mixed data. Using the count formula on mobile allows you to analyze data quickly even when you are away from your computer. With a little practice, this simple formula can become a reliable tool for managing spreadsheets efficiently on the go. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.